Hello there and welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can create your own Deriv Bot and trade using it. So this is a beginner guide and it is very simple and you don't need coding knowledge to do it. So when you log in into your account, this is where you will be landing. So this is Traders Hub. If you cannot see it, let's say that you are on a Deriv trader, just click on this icon. You just be redirected to this page and then you can see Traders Hub. Just open it and then you will see all those apps. Now here is where I want to show you where you want to go. Just here on the Deriv Bot. So you can just go there, and if you do not have an account, I have left a link just below, so you can just open it and create an account. If you face any problems, let's say you are trying to create an account, then just leave it in the comment section. I will just help you out. So here what you need to do is, you can see here the history of the bots that you have been using. So but I need just to open here just bot builder, and this is the place that I can build a bot. So you do not need to know how to code to use this strategy that I'm going to show you. Now if you want to create a bot, a simple bot, you just come here to quick strategy, and then here you can just choose a strategy that you want. Now let's say that I'm interested in trading accumulators, so I just choose accumulators here. Now here I'll go, if I like martingale, I just choose it here, but for me I may choose this one, it seems good. And then here is where I set everything. So this is the initial stake and then the growth rate, so I will go with 5%. Then profit threshold, then loss threshold, so this take profit, so I will just go with 5, and here my initial stake I will go with 2, so that I trade on a demo account. Now here I can just put 5, take profit 5, so it is just okay, and then I can run. I can now run. Now this is so simple, you just do it this way and then you just run it. But you can see my balance is this one, so I cannot run this one. What I need to do, I can just come here and modify this, or just go back to where I was setting, and then I can just modify all those values. Now here let me try to find where I have set $2. So if you don't see that, you just go back to the strategy where it was this one. You just open it and then you modify it to $1. Now what I want to do is that this is a real account. Instead of running it, I can just load it. If you tap this run, then it will automatically run. So if I'm not ready for that, I just tap load and this is the bot. And if I want to save it to my computer and share it, I just come here, I just save, can just enter the name that I want, and then I can save. That is it. So after doing that, I will be able to download it here. Now here I want I can edit the take profit, the growth rate here on the bot, so you can just exploit on your own. Now I want to change it to demo so that I can trade and show you how it does. Now every bot here has its own strategy. So you can see this journal, it is analyzing the market. Now these bots analyze the market. They are made in a way that they analyze the market. Now I can also change the market somewhere here. just here you just come and change the market to the one that you like. So here I can also choose another options. Let's say that I am interested in creating a bot that will be able to trade the fall and rise options. So I just come here on the options and then I choose, let's say for example, I choose this one. So here I will be able to choose this, and then here I choose the contract type. So I can just scroll down and then I choose the contract that I'm interested in. For me, this is a good one, and then I'll change this market to volatility 10, this one. Now I can also change to fall or rise, whatever I want, and then the number of ticks I can just set 2 or 3. So I like that one. Now I can just load it and then I will open a chart and try to see. Now here you just open the chart and then you see where it is going. For my bot, I have set it to trade. I can just set it to trade on the rise now, and then I go to the chart. Let me stop this one and see it is on the rise. Now I can try and see. I will just wait when it goes down and then I'll go with the rise. Let's go with that and see what happens with 3 ticks. You see, I want that one. Now you just need to use this chart to do all this trading, because if you don't do that, then you will end up losing. You can see also this one was a profit. So you can use this bot, these strategies. These are strategies that you can use to make your trades, and here you have all the information that you need to know about the strategies. For example, if I want to know about this strategy, I just open it, and then here we have an example. So this example is the one that is showing you when a $1 trade is placed, what happens when it is won and what happens when it is lost. So the bot will do this one and it will do this one when there is a profit. So let's say it is a profit, it will place a $1, a profit $1. Here a loss, it places the next one $2. Profit, it will go with $1. When it's a loss, it will go with $1 again. Now it will just exchange with 2, and then if you have set a maximum stake of 3, then it will not be able to go to 4. So it will depend with that one. Now here you can also check on, I have seen this one is just somehow good, so you can check this strategy out. So this was a good one, but if you want to read this information, it is just in the Deriv website there, as you have seen where I have accessed it. Now I can just go to bot builder. So if you want to access it, just come here and we'll access it. Now if I want another bot, I'll go with this one. This is an accumulator bot. I just go with it and then I just keep all these settings. So here I am, and then I have just started it right away, and I see it has made a purchase. So if I want, I can just edit this one before I lose that trade. Now here, as you can see, I'm on the profit side. I can just get out of that market so easy. So let me change. I wanted to change it to $2, but it has already gone. Now, as you know, I want to change it to $2. Let me say 1 is okay. Okay, just sell that. Now what I want to do, I can edit it. Let me go and edit this on here, just here. take profit of 1, and then that is fine. Yeah, that is fine. Let me run it and we will see. So here you can see it is analyzing the market. Now here you just you don't need a lot of knowledge to do this. You just look on the chart, and then in accumulators, I'm sure it might be hard to look at the chart because you just let this bot run, because it is somehow hard to do that. What I want to say that in the accumulators, you can it's hard to analyze the market, but as you can see here, I can just set this take profit to 2 because I was just looking for it and I was not seeing it, but I have seen it now. I have I set it to 2? Yeah, let me try and run and see whether the one that was here will change. Now accumulators, you may not require to use the charts, but the rise and fall you will be required to do that because you need to know where the market is going. If you miss that, then you may end up in a loss, and that is something that you need to avoid. So here I don't think that there is a question on this. If you have a question, then leave it in the comment section. So you can also create these bots and you can sell them if you want to, because some people are doing that. The bot that most people are buying, you can see this is a very developed bot, as you can see. So some people are just selling them outside there for free, and you can just access here. You can access them just here for free. So you just need to be careful. Let us wait for this trade, and then we'll close this tutorial for today. What I wanted as that was a loss. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then like it and subscribe for more. I might be making more videos on this if you are interested, so you can comment below so that I know how many people are interested. And if you have another question on Deriv or another trading website, just leave it below. I will check it and answer. So see you in the next video.